Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Queen Made Me Sleep in the Guest Room. Let's get into it.
Clarencenyc, welcome back to another video, you dig. I want to say good morning to everybody. You know what I'm saying? It's like 8 in the morning. We've been up since 6 in the morning. Let me show you my very, very tired family. As you can see. Is that the energy we're getting today?
Not today.
Is that
I don't have on no panties, so I don't know if you want to like get my hoo-ha.
Yeah, hoo-ha. It's the first time I heard that.
You never heard anybody say hoo-ha?
Oh, hoo-ha, no. Legend, say what's up. Okay.
Here, sit down and put your socks on.
See, he's tired too. We've been up since 6. We went to sleep at like 2:30. So we're running off E right now. We're running on E right now. We're actually about to do a joint channel vid. I think we're about to do prison meals. We're about to do some prison meals real quick. About to go into prison for a little bit and see.
All right, y'all go ahead and watch the next video, which is gonna be the prison video. Sorry I'm a little late, but y'all enjoy.
How they taste, what the hype is all about. We seen it on TikTok and we said we wanted to do it. So we're about to do that. But we're about to go take Legend to school, get this day started. We got a couple things we gotta do. Well, I gotta do. There's a couple things I gotta do. But damn, this new camera's heavy as fuck. But look at this. This is all the stuff that Queen is giving away. She just did this the other day. I'm actually very proud of her. She did this without me telling her. This is awesome.
Oh wow, that's some great stuff. Well, thanks Queen and Claire for getting things together.
She doesn't wear, bro. She got a lot more room now to put her new clothes and all this stuff that she got that's piling up in the other room. Let me show you where her other stuff is. Look at this. So that's the stuff she's getting rid of. This is her closet. She had no more room for clothes because, look at this. Okay, she's up. Okay. Can we get some energy from you? You just threw the ball off his head. He said, oh no. This is where she keeps all the rest of her stuff.
What are you doing?
So she has 2 closets basically.
No,
so
I gotta get rid of like a lot of that stuff. Like those boxes don't look good.
You see this? Like all shoes, bags, more shoes, Givenchy boots. Got luggage in here, dresses.
Is it Givenchy or Givenchy?
Givenchy. This is what we're dealing with here. So this is her second closet, guys. Yo.
Sorry.
Nah. Very federal.
Cut it out.
Why are you being federal for? Like we announced that.
I want my charger.
You want your charger?
Yeah.
It's a little early for the iPad.
Yeah.
I feel like Squidward. I look like Squidward right now. Very tired Squidward.
Legend, do you know your math problems? Huh?
Like you want that right now.
Wow, Legend's at that age, y'all. You remember that when you be pretending like you didn't understand what your parents just asked you?
He's trying to get his iPad charger. Legend, where are you going? Where are you going? Okay. See you later. So Legend's in here saying on, and we're wondering what he's saying. And y'all remember when I said he was going to get his iPad charger? Look what's plugged in the wall right there. Plugged in his iPad. Legend, isn't it too early for the iPad?
Yeah, it's on.
It's not too early? Look at Queen face. Queen won't go to sleep so bad.
This is torture, y'all. This is pure torture.
Queen is not a morning person at all. But
Yeah, this is torture to me. This is torture. I'm not gonna lie.
alright, y'all. We're all dressed. Well, I'm dressed. I finally got to wear my destroyer jacket.
I really like that.
Queen still good. Can you show them my...
Yeah, let's go. Let's go in the lighting, though.
That's probably the best light in here.
No, it's not really. There's natural light in there. Oh, wait. Come right here. This is perfect. Okay.
I got to finally wear the jacket. I had zipped the bottom off because I just wasn't feeling it for this occasion. And I found these pants I haven't worn in a while. I think it's John Elliott. I got some off-white Nikes, some old joints. Did we wear these? I think we wore these once.
We wore these together.
Yeah, we wore these once. CP Company Balakanana. How you say this? Balakava. A balakava.
Baklava?
A bak.
Oh, that pronunciation's killing me. Oh my goodness, they so funny.
Wait, no,
like
baklava
it's a mask.
is a pastry. Hold on, let me see.
It's a baklava.
Do it have the tag on it?
It's not gonna say it. It's gonna say the brand. It's called a Bella.
Oh.
A Bella Canana.
Oh, umbilical cord.
Alright, but I'm ready. I'm finally ready. You know what I'm saying? Ready to go. Rate the fit 1 to 10. You know what I'm saying? It's something slight.
Don't rate our room, y'all. Don't rate
It's a
our
rainy
room.
day, so you know what I'm saying.
Oh.
Queen is getting dressed.
I didn't put on much.
Queen going Nike. Well, we went Nike today too.
Just regular Nike stuff.
So today's a Nike day. We just doing it.
We just did it last night too.
Yo.
We just did that. I'm sorry I had to be matchy today. Hey, black jacket or gray?
Look at this. And if I wanted to, I could unclip this, right? Look at this. Boom.
I'm not wearing a black jacket. I'm wearing that gray low ugly jacket.
Y'all feel me, chat? I said chat like this is Twitch. Alright, y'all, so we at Party City. About to try to find these inmate costumes, you know what I'm saying? For this couples video we got going on, you know what I'm saying? So
Tell them we building our couples brand. Chill out.
wait, what?
I don't know why I said that.
Why you said chill out then?
Just because.
Where the costumes at? Want me to ask?
You could, or you could just look.
I feel like this is Party City. It should be right in the front.
No, because it's not Halloween.
Oh, look at all this stuff.
What we gonna be for Halloween, babe?
What's that music you said it sound like it's playing when I have that jacket on? Yeah, do it real quick. Let me walk down the.
Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Babe. How you turn around with the glasses on? Oh, babe. You should have been an old man with me.
Nah, that's a fake ass wig right there. I look too fake.
Jesus of Nazareth.
Is that Jesus?
No, I don't think so.
Nigga, that better be Jesus. Who else is that?
You said that better be Jesus?
Bro, who else would this be right here? Who y'all think that is? It look like Drake with a wig on though. Am I bugging? This don't like Drake right here?
A little. Yeah, you're right. Like a white Drake.
Bro, I think Drake is white.
No, he's like half.
He's Canadian. Mike is Canadian. He's white. Right? He's half white. Did you just take the wrapper off? Like, are you gonna buy that?
She ain't gonna buy that. She look funny though.
Would you talk to your brother like this?
You kind of look the same.
Oh my God.
Claire, don't you come for her. No man, no sir, no.
For real?
Yeah, like it's the same nose. There's no difference.
Don't.
All right, y'all. So first Party City we're in doesn't have damn near no costumes. These are all the costumes. Right?
I'm so hungry. They
really be slacking when it's not Halloween type shit. I thought they always have costumes. Like I didn't know that. Like when it's not Halloween, this is really a party store. This ain't no costume store. It's really a party store. I didn't know they had costume stores though.
They do.
All right, come on. Yeah, so they don't have anything, guys. We out here. You still want to go Publix or no?
Unless you want to go through a drive-thru. Like, I'm starving as shit. How you doing? Do you guys happen to have jail outfits?
Like inmate. Inmate.
The, like, orange jumpsuits.
You have the orange jumpsuits?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Are you guys open right now?
Yes, ma'am. We're here 10 to 6.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
It's 57 miles away. I'm just playing.
That's the one near here, right?
It's not Party City, babe.
What is
It's Eddie's Trick Shop. Trick love the kids.
Alright, so we finally found it. They said they got some Some inmate joints in here. It's a very interesting store. We could come back here for all our
Halloween stuff.
Our needs, our YouTube needs.
These are the 2 styles we have in stock.
Oh, that's perfect.
Do they have one for women or?
Not specific.
Okay, fine.
Here's to get the same
I
one.
can get the same one.
It's
I can
small.
fit a man suit.
I get medium, and I'll get the large.
A large. Look, there's that one too. The orange one better. The orange one looks more like a like a real.
Oh, that one's not bad though. It's alright.
It ain't bad.
Anything on before?
No, I don't think we need to try these on, right, babe?
No, we're good.
We're good.
Is there anything else I can help you out with?
No, we'll probably look around a little bit.
Sure, absolutely. Check out just that when you're ready.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
I should get my Halloween costume in advance, to be honest. Because I had a very huff.
So we got this.
I had a very rough time finding a costume last year. It's weird to say last year because it was just there.
I didn't even dress up.
We gotta dress up this year, babe. Together.
Yeah, that would be cool. They got kid costumes. Harry Potter kid joint.
Oh, look it. They got like the little NASA. Ew. Look at
That's, you know what that is?
Yeah, that's
the Bride of Chucky.
Hey, we should really be old people one day. Like, dress as old people and walk around.
Now look at that one. That's an old.
That would be you.
That would be me right there.
Yeah. That look like you too, how your hair is. This is cool.
This is a cool ass store. It's like a trick store. And they got mad things in here. A lot of things.
Oh, what's over there? This is a whole dancer store. Wow.
Yeah, clothing.
Yeah,
Dancer. You gonna shop for dancers?
No. It's just, I'm intrigued.
Got a little leotard.
Oh, we had a...
Oh, poor Queen. I heard her almost say it.
little girl. I just love, like, I want to wear that wig.
Queen says she loves wigs.
Like, dress up wigs.
Well, they got crowns. Looks like a little king joint right
I want to wear that Shirley wig. Look at that. That's a Shirley wig. Look, her name's Shirley.
Shirley. They look like Grease, like the movie Grease.
Yeah.
Look at the locks.
Yeah. Where does she roll? Oh, we need to go. We need to go on a vacation.
All right, ready? Because I'm
No,
still
not really.
starving.
So no, I'm ready.
I'm still hungry.
Oh yeah.
How you doing?
Good, how are y'all?
Would you happen to have like breakfast sandwiches?
Yeah, so we got breakfast wraps too. So bacon, egg, and
I
cheddar.
don't know what.
Bacon, egg, and cheddar. Sausage, egg, and pepper jack. Mushroom, egg, and pepper jack.
That look good.
Yep, bacon, egg, and cheddar. Sausage, egg, and pepper jack. Mushroom, egg, and pepper jack.
Would you eat that or no?
I would, but
I'll take one of these. Yeah, so there was this store, there's like this bakery right next to the little
the
costume
dick
shop.
store. Wait, the trick. Sorry.
Did you say the dick store?
No. What's his store name? Something trick.
Yeah, Eddie's Trick Shop. It was like a little costume shop. There's a little bakery next to it, a little old looking place. So it kind of looked good. So we're gonna try it. These are the things right here. We're gonna try it out. It's a bacon, egg, and cheese. One's a sausage, egg, and cheese. And then the other one is I have no idea.
Yeah, we really don't know.
I asked for one of each. I didn't know there was 3. I thought only 2 breakfast sandwiches exist. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see how it is. Let's get a taste. I wanna do the bacon.
The bacon one's in the middle.
I'll be at home in my bed.
You and the freaking ketchup.
You know Queen hate ketchup.
Come on, you gotta do ketchup, bro. You don't know what you're missing.
Babe, that's disgusting. Oh, babe, you look so cute when you pray.
Amen.
I hope you like it. It's good.
It's good.
Does it taste like you made it at home? Does it taste homemade?
Kinda. I'm not gonna lie. They do. Like, it's definitely not like pre-made. It's good though. Alright, we just finished taking pictures outside in like this little beautiful area we was at before. Now we in Publix because we gotta get ready for this video that we're gonna do on the joint channel, which we're doing prison meals. We're gonna be some prisoners for the day. So we need Cheetos. You could do
Maybe sprinkle spicy nachos.
You could do Flamin' Hots or the Cheeto Puffs. Those would be good. Get these 2 just to get. I wanted to try the jalapeno ones, but I don't see them. I wanted to try the jalapeno Cheetos. Fuck it.
Why you get Cheeto Puffs, babe?
Is that not what they use?
Nah, they use the crunchy Cheetos or like.
Oh,
like,
the crunchy
they use
joint.
hot Cheetos. Yeah, these are, even the jalapeno ones are crunchy.
I didn't know.
We got the salsa con queso.
You gonna get you a razor, cause this one you finna chop up all your food with. Oh, now that nigga really in jail. Cause they fantastic. Chop them up into little pieces, cause you finna pour them also into the bag. He didn't want to use the knife? They make sure they look like this. Get your noodles that you just dumped out. You know it's crazy, we got a big ass bag.
The crazy part is they can't have no knife, so if you're gonna be authentic, you gotta use the razor, cause you know, because somebody snuck the razor in, or you use it for shaving, or you take it out. I don't know.
Should we get two small bags?
Should we just make one or two different ones?
Let's do two small.
Let's just make two different ones. Two
Yeah,
different
two small
bricks.
bags.
This one? No.
Well, usually the Cheetos go on top. I mean, the Doritos be going on top.
Don't forget the sauce either.
What?
That's where you finna get most of your flavor. Well, shit, half of it. Yeah, so I say we do two different ones. We could do
I haven't seen no other. Okay.
maybe like two different ingredients.
Unless you could go with some more noodles like later on.
We get the two packs.
Yeah. Just two of them.
Yeah, we back home, gang. We back home. We setting up the bricks. We about to make a jail brick. A jail brick. We gotta put our uniforms on.
Yeah, we can't do it in here though. You can't get too much for your vlog, babe. Like, dang, you try to steal.
Babe, I'm not getting that in here.
Try to steal all the doggone footage, the DECCON footage.
Babe, shut up.
Cause you a footage stealer.
No, I'm not. She's a hater. She's a hater.
No, it's just I don't know what's going on.
You're a hater.
I'm exhausted.
She's a hater.
I know.
Alright, so we got these prison uniforms on, and Queen's gonna look at me and say, it really look like you in jail. I thought that was racist.
I think you are in jail. I mean, I think you do like you in jail. It's the haircut. It's all of that for me. What?
My hair do look crazy right now, I'm not gonna lie. But
He's gonna make himself conscious about his hair, Queen. You know he like to have his hair perfect for us.
Look like it's Halloween and I belong in front of somebody's house. But like when, if a fan blew into this, I look like I belong in somebody's front yard.
Like doing this?
Yeah.
See, look, if I was in jail, I would have to make sure it's, you know, my thing is cute and fitted. So instead of being like this, you know, I give me a little band, a rubber band.
Babe,
tied up.
you say that now until them girls is on your body beating.
That's what I'm saying. You ain't trying to be that cute in jail, sis.
You up and taking
God,
your cheeks from you.
I'll just give my cheeks freely because I'd rather not get taken.
What's up, y'all? It's late at night. It's like 2 in the morning. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I was gonna have this whole little vlog thing, bro. Everybody's sick in my house. That's why I'm down here all alone. I'm in the living room. Everybody's sick. Queen is sick. She's probably gonna get tested for the vid tomorrow morning or the flu, because she just said she feels bad. She feels horrible. She's like got the shivers, but she's hot, then she's cold. So it's like we've been through that before. That's when we had the flu, and then the time before that we had COVID. So we just got to make sure she's good. Legend, I had to pick Legend up early today because he was sick and he was very cranky at school, so I had to pick him up early. CJ was already sick, so all 3 people are sick. All 3 people. Except for me. I've already told Queen before Queen was sick. I already told her that I felt like just under the weather. Like I just feel, you ever feel like your body just aching a little too much? Like it's for a reason, like you probably getting sick or something. That's how I felt. But I'm feeling the best out of everybody, so I'm like kind of taking care of, I'm gonna have to be taking care of everybody and getting everybody's food, bringing it to them. So that's like,
yeah, I'm glad you feeling good enough to do that, Claire. And it's hard when you don't feel good to take care of everybody else, but I'm glad y'all got each other.
My job right now. I'm currently in my drawers watching Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. This is my shit right here.
And what exactly are you gonna be doing?
But I'm a little upset, disappointed in myself because I was supposed to stream today, but I just literally couldn't, bro. I've been up since 6 in the morning. I did a video for the couples channel. I did a video for my channel. We did mad shit, bro. It's 2 in the morning. I'm running on like 3 hours of sleep, and I know I'm about to wake up feeling sick. I feel it, man. This whole house is just affected. I'm next. I'm next, but I'm about to holler at y'all in the morning, man. I'm gonna go get some rest, man. Gotta get ready for tomorrow. I gotta wake up at 6 o'clock again tomorrow. Queen's sick, so I'm gonna have to get up, but that's life. Bro, what, you gonna complain about it? Like, what's up?
The next day.
All right, yeah. So not just waking up, but I just got out the shower and shit. I wanted to update y'all. I know last night I was telling y'all that Queen wasn't feeling well. This morning, she was not feeling any better. So we called the COVID test lady to come over here, COVID flu test lady, and Queen came out positive for COVID, mode. So, and y'all already know this week we
Oh, dang. Get better, Queen.
supposed to go on vacation. We was gonna go out and have a little pre-vacation, like a little short vacation before we go to Aspen, but that don't seem like it's about to happen. You know what I'm saying? It's Queen's upstairs, slumped with the vid. We had to take Legend and CJ out the house. So CJ's going to his friend's house for the weekend. Legend is going to Lee's house for the weekend. So it's like, it's just me in here. You know what I'm saying? I'm fighting it. This is where let me show you guys where I'm staying. This is where I'm staying, yeah. This is where I'm staying, bro. The room, bro. Look, I had to bring all my shit down in a pull-up box. This is all my stuff. This is my first time. I lived here for 2 years. This is my first time taking a shower. And this shower is like my little apartment while Queen get better. The lady made it very clear to like stay clear from Queen. Let her be isolated and just quarantine, you know what I'm saying? She did say COVID is flaring back up again, like there's been a jump again in cases, so all y'all out there that's not being mindful, not putting your mask on still, put your mask on. I think the other day when Queen went out, I think she went out with Summerella. I think that's what it was. She ended up getting it. I think she got it then, because Queen don't really go out, so that was the only time she went out, and boom, COVID. Hey, y'all know Atlanta not the cleanest place, you know what I'm saying? So y'all, wear y'all masks, man. Where y'all at? But I got another announcement besides that. Y'all already know I've been looking crazy lately. And it's been wild. My hair is fucking wild. But look who just landed.
I miss my boy.
Yo, you know what's crazy? That's why I bought that shit.
I miss my boy.
I bought this movie because my boy right there, man.
Oh, man.
Rest in peace to Beast, man.
My boy, man.
But my nigga John is here. We about to get my hair right. How my hair look, bro, to you? Like,
You look fucking crazy. Yo, I can curse?
yeah, you.
Hey, John. Oh, my gosh. That's funny. Thank you for taking care of Clare's hair. You know, he real self-conscious right now.
Curse.
Oh, nah, you look fucking crazy. God damn, nigga, you look fucking crazy, nigga. God damn, bitch.
You see, you let nigga said I can curse, nigga. Take
Oh, New York. You gotta love it.
it wild fall. Nigga said you stay, bitch. Literally haven't got a haircut in a month, bro. Like, I think it's actually longer this time.
Way longer than you.
Last time you cut my hair was like a month and a half ago, right?
Probably 2 months, maybe.
2 months?
Maybe. And I've been flying all over.
This is wild, bro. This is wild, bro. But life been wild. But we about to get started. I'm gonna get a little bit of footage of y'all to get my hair cut. I just want to show y'all the transformation real quick. And then I'm gonna end this video. Stay tuned. Stay right there. Don't go nowhere. Look how long my hair is, gang. I got an afro. See, like, my size is a little shorter, so... Because we've been cutting them down. Alright, yeah, so I'm in the middle of getting my hair cut. Damn, it's a little low. This is the lowest I've had it in a long time. Look good, though. I mean, I'm in the middle. It's not even done. We're like 30 minutes in, but I ordered some food. You know what I'm saying? I had to get some nuggets real quick. I got me some nuggets and I got Queen some soup. You got the vid, you need some soup. Come on. Babe, you up? Yeah. You hungry? Yeah. Here.
You want to set it by the door?
Yeah. How you feel?
I still got slight headache. My back hurt a little bit, but I'm not shivering right now.
Poor Queen. Get better soon, sis.
Okay, that's good. Try to eat so you can feel better.
Okay, thank you.
All right, no problem.
I feel like a homeless child.
It's just soup and lemonade.
Thank you.
No problem. So I just picked up CJ from school.
Hey, CJ.
You know, because the Queen got the vid. Bro, look how he's eating his sandwich. Like, who eats their sandwich like that?
Bro, that's how you get flavor.
Bro, from the middle?
Oh, you get flavor from eating it from the middle. Oh, okay. Okay.
See, CJ be thinking. He's smart, y'all, because that's where all the sauce is. You know, that's where you got the mayonnaise and you got, like, the Chick-fil-A sauce or whatever you got on there. All that sauce land in the middle.
Okay.
Nah, you were supposed to start from up here. Look. You turned it to the side.
That's how you get the flavor.
Bro, like that was the worst part. Like, what do you mean?
So what you gonna do with that part right here? You just ate all the you just ate all the meat.
With a Gatorade.
He's washing down with a raid.
Yo, he's a basketball player. That's an athlete's man right there.
He really is a little athlete. Y'all watch. He gonna be an athlete.
Right? That after soccer practice? Lit, right? Now you go to the other box?
Nah, you was starving. Pull the thing closer to you and wipe your mouth. That's a brick, huh? Yo, that's my cookie.
Yo!
Bro, people really made this?
Well, yeah, me and Queen made that.
No, but like people really eat this in jail?
Yeah.
Fuck out of here, bro.
Bro, it's just chips. You crunch it up.
Bro, what is this red frosting around it, bro?
That's hot Cheetos. That's dusted, crunched up into little pieces. Then you throw a pack of ramen in there. Then you throw some cut up Slim Jims in there. Then you throw some cheese in there. Then you put the packet seasoning from.
Eat this?
Yeah, and then you dust it with chips.
Niggas eat this in the criminal justice system?
Nah, the show was pretty good though. It was actually good.
Man, I need to come by more often. He funny.
Bro,
But I was on the toilet, bro. Like my stomach was on fire.
Yo, my people suffering, bro.
Nah.
God damn. You see, you couldn't finish it.
Y'all gotta go ahead and fix that prison food, y'all. This ain't right.
Yeah, nah, no way. My stomach was hurting. But I can see why they like if it's limited or if like they serving some bullshit, you know?
Nah, bro, this is not cool, man. With the ramen, with the ramen.
And then, bro, all of that, right? Then you throw some hot ass water in it's all made in a potato chip bag.
Fuck, I gotta see. You made the video already?
Nah, we ain't posted yet. That's a hot Cheetos bag right there. That's not aluminum foil. Pick that up. That's a hot Cheeto bag. Just ripped open.
What?
Yeah, you make it in the bag. Pour the hot water in the bag. Yo, John is astonished, bro.
Bro, is it?
I mean, John. Yeah, y'all gotta have John Bexamo. I know he in New York or whatever, but John need a channel. He funny. But yeah, it's like, what you got all these chemical processes happening with the hot Cheetos and the ramen and all that salt. Oh my gosh, that is so unhealthy.
Is it like?
See, those are Slim Jims.
No, alright, that's it. Yo, bro, I was like, yo, is that?
Yeah, that's cut up Slim Jims.
Like,
There's cheese. Slim Jims dusted with spicy ranch Doritos.
I'm like those
And
onions.
These is hot Cheetos. It's hot Cheetos. And you throw hot water. When you throw the hot water in it, the ramen gets cooked. So then it turns into like this chip pasta, cheesy burrito.
I get it to cut like Pop-Tarts.
Because while you let it sit in there with the hot water and it starts cooking. Like while it's there, like it starts getting big and then you just cut the bag open.
Do you heat the bag up?
Nah, you don't heat it back up. You just eat it right there.
No. Do you heat the bag up? Like how did it boil like that?
You put boiling hot water in the bag.
And it don't rip the bag open or melt the bag?
Nah. Bro, dude, that shit just stay right in there and just start cooking. And then it get big and then you just cut it.
You had some?
Nah, he didn't get to try that. He was in school.
That was today?
That was.
Well, I will say they geniuses though. I mean, you gotta really understand how things work in order to make something like that happen from, you know, something simple that you just get in the store like that without any heat source.
Yesterday. Yo! What's up, gang? It's your boy, I'm back. I just finished my haircut. I just want to show y'all real quick, find this video. Stop hating. I said, look at well, that's a hater right there. He's hating.
Your haircut looks like Benjamin Franklin.
Bro, first of all, your hairline not done yet and your shit is twisted. So I would wait. If I was you, get to line! If I was you, I would just chill out, bro. Why are you looking up? What nigga looking dead in your eyes? Like, what is that? Anyways, let me show them my cut, man. This is a great cut. This is a great cut right here. Look at how I'm fucking back, B. I'm back. Back. Super back. Curls popping. Yeah, this is a good cut, bro. I like how I got curls all over. Before I felt like I almost had like, you know, like a curly high top. Like my shit was starting to look too much like Jason Tatum. Like I need I need my own shit. Needed my own shit, so I got the curls well rounded and shit. So it's perfect. It's not just the high top and shit. I'm like wow handsome, like you feel me? Like when I don't have a cut, I be feeling like one of them ugly niggas. Like I be knowing what them ugly niggas be feeling like for real. But like now, bro, like I see what all the hype is about right now. I'm not gonna lie. And it's like you got the teeth. Like look at the teeth. Like every summer we use that whole ride. You know what I mean? White, all that. That's because I brush like 3 times a day.
Oh, he like it. I'm glad you happy now, Claire.
I never got my teeth done. I just brush like 3 times a day. Floss, mouthwash, brush. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna holla at y'all. I'm gonna end this video right here, man. Pray for my family, because everybody's sick and shit. Pray for me.
God bless y'all. God bless you too.
Hopefully I don't get sick, because usually that's what ends up happening. I end up getting sick next and last. I'm the last one that be sick. But hopefully Queen start taking her vitamins, bro. I know I be into my sea moss. I be on my goalie vitamins, ashwagandha. I take apple cider vinegar gummies. Queen don't be taking. I be trying to put her on. She don't be taking them because they nasty. She say they nasty and shit. But bro, would you rather be nasty or would you rather get COVID? Like, you know what I'm saying? So she said she gonna start taking them and stuff. So we gonna see what she end up doing. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And thank you for always tuning in, man. I really do. And I'll see you guys next video.
Thank y'all for tuning in too. We're going to the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Get better, Queen.